Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Let's create mandala coasters today. I have kept my resin ready. I'm going to select any two colors from eye candy pigments once again. I have selected haiku from color shift sample set, and from hue set I'm going to select valentine. I don't know how the combination will look like in the end, but let's try this out. Opening the Ziploc bag is a struggle with gloves on. So while pouring, I realized I should have opted for dark plus light color combination, and these two looked almost similar tone to me, but let's wait for the end results. I will use the remainder in other molds and share with you soon. Let's demold. Excited to see what colors have done together. Oh wow, these came out gorgeous. Love the color that these two colors made together, and I hope you all like this too. And if you like it, don't forget to give a like. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, as this helps me to keep going. Thank you very much.